Storm Team 2 Chief Meteorologist Brian Davis with another look at your forecast. Brian, that's some pretty spectacular video.
Yeah, technically there's a difference between a funnel cloud and a tornado. That was a tornado we were watching right there. Even though the funnel didn't extend all the way to the ground, the circulation did, and that's why you saw that barn that was laid out there, that farm house destroyed because of that tornado. Let's take a look at the conditions tonight. We're going to see showers, thunderstorms passing through the area. Still the potential for severe weather, actually beginning to increase now across southwest Ohio. We have a tornado watch that's been issued until 5 a.m. and we'll have those thunderstorms around at least into the wee hours of the morning, and then finally moving on out of here late tonight and tomorrow. Here's your forecast tomorrow once we get the rain out of here. Mostly cloudy start at 8 a.m. 70, 75 at noon, 77 at 5 p.m. Some of the models now indicating at least the potential for maybe some spotty showers later in the day south of I-70, but doesn't look like anything severe. Speaking of that, things are improving a bit. We do have a tornado watch now in effect for Wayne County, Indiana, Preble, Montgomery, Greene, Butler, Warren, Clinton counties down to the Cincinnati area. That watch in effect until 5 a.m. No tornado warnings. That's the first time that's happened for a few hours here, but we do have severe thunderstorm warnings around Greensburg, Indiana, along Interstate 74, back out south of Effingham, Illinois, and also just to the east of Terre Haute, Indiana, along Interstate 70. Still the potential for some damaging winds tonight. That's our greatest risk. A high probability of strong winds. Still a low to medium risk of a tornado or large hail, and the possibility of some flooding. That may actually be coming up a little bit here as we are looking at some heavy rain coming in from the west. Excessive rainfall outlook that could lead to flash flooding covers Wayne County, Indiana, now a good chunk of Darke and Preble counties, and down south to the northwest corner of Butler County too, and a slight risk covering the rest of the Miami Valley. Because of that, a flood watch in effect for Greenville, Troy, Springfield, extending south to Cincinnati until 10 a.m. tomorrow. Now, we're seeing a little break in the rain to the north, but down here in the Dayton area, more moderate to heavy rain. A thunderstorm coming into western Montgomery County now. Moderate to heavy rain out in eastern Greene County. And we do have that severe thunderstorm warning out in southeastern Indiana. Those storms are moving southeastward. The other thing to note, it looks like we're starting to see a line develop out here ahead of the cold front across central Indiana. That may continue to develop to the northeast and then push southeast, so that could bring us some damaging thunderstorm winds overnight as this low pressure center cold front combo moves east. Temperatures won't move much at all tonight. It's going to stay humid, upper 60s and low 70s, but turning less humid tomorrow, mid 70s north for highs, upper 70s south, and the southern part of the Miami Valley, upper 70s to around 80 degrees. Some dampness downtown on the Goodwill Auto Auction cameras. We look at downtown Dayton and US 35. We're currently 70, south-southwest wind at 15. Yeah, it's sticky, 66 on the dew point, 87% the relative humidity, with temperatures in the upper 60s and low 70s. Showers, thunderstorms working through the area tonight. Still that low risk of a tornado and the possibility of some damaging winds. Heavy rain also, 68 our overnight low, and then tomorrow partly sunny, windy and mild, turning less humid with a high of 78. Friday looks pretty nice. Same Saturday, just very low chances of a spotty shower, mainly in the afternoon. Highs upper 70s, but a better chance of thunderstorms on Father's Day and into early Monday.